هلو.
هلو، كيفك؟
منيحة، انت كيفك استاذ؟
جود، الحمد لله. مريان كيفك؟
هاي استاذ، منيحة.
هاي.
انت كيفك؟
الحمد لله منيح. جورج كيفك؟
هاي أستاذ، منيح. أنت كيفك؟
الحمد لله جود.
جود.
فانا كيفك؟
الحمد لله استاذ يو.
جود، الحمد لله. روبي كيفك؟
روبي كيفك صغير؟
ما عم تسمع روبي.
هاي أستاذ،
هاي كيفك؟
منيحة وأنت كيفك؟
Okay, any questions please? Do you like to ask a question before starting?
No.
Okay, we are going to solve exercise 17. صعب هيدا 17 شوي كان.
exercise 19 استاذ.
19 استاذ.
امبارح عملنا 17.
اوكي،
بعدين بدها تفوت.
19 صرنا. اوكي يلا 1 minute.
يس.
18 ما عملنا.
ايه 19. اوكي
أستاذ،
اوكي يلا.
أستاذ،
يس جورج.
تعليم بدها تفوت، عم تستنى لإلك.
تالين ما عملت لها اكسبت بس هذا. يلا عملت لها ادميت بس ما عم تفوت.
ما بعرف.
عم تحط جويننج وما عم آه. اوكي مش الحل. Okay, so exercise 19. Let f be a function defined on 0 plus infinity by fx equal ax plus b plus ln x over x. هذا good exercise لأنه في graph we are going to take information from the graph. وهذا الكيرف of fx. The tangent t to c at point of abscissa 1. هون عندي tangent at the point of abscissa 1. Determine graphically the limit of fx as x tends to 0 plus graphically. How much?
infinity.
كيف عرفتي minus infinity؟
لأنه minus 2.
negative minus infinity from where?
أخدنا بالليمت إنه إذا x tends to 0 plus بيعطي minus infinity.
لا بس معنا هون عم يقول graphically.
The line is decreased at
Why?
0.
طلع على الجراف at x equal to 0 وين بيكون الجراف؟
2 -2
بتكون تحت ال x axis
بتكون تحت الاكس اكسس، يعني قد ايه بيكون الفانكشن؟
minus infinity.
minus infinity، وقد ايه الليمت على بلس انفينيتي جرافيكالي؟
plus infinity.
plus infinity.
بلس انفينيتي، كلكم شفتوها هذا جرافيكالي ولا في حدا بعد ما شاف جرافيكالي؟
شفنا.
اوكي، شو بيرجع بيقول لنا بعدين in the same part calculate what؟
f of 1.
قد ايه الاف اوف 1 جرافيكالي؟
1.
1. f prime of 1 also. How to calculate f prime of 1? Okay. So as x tends to 0 plus شفنا هون as x tends to 0 plus هذا 0 plus هون الكيرف is تحت minus infinity. As x tends to plus infinity الكيرف is for plus infinity. f of 1 1. f prime of 1 since قلنا هون the tangent t to c at the point of abscissa 1 معناتها f prime of 1 equal slope of the tangent. To calculate slope of the tangent, I don't have f prime. I cannot calculate f prime because it contains a and b. This line passes by 2 points. هيدا الpoint, هيدا tangent. What are the coordinates of this point? 0 minus 2.
0 minus 2.
هيدا الcoordinate وهيدا الpoint. شو عنده coordinates?
1 1
1
1 1. How to find the slope of this line? Okay. Slope of the tangent here. Slope t passes through the point A 1 1 and B 0 minus 2. Slope of AB from grade 9 is YB minus YA over XB minus XA. YB is minus 2 minus YA is minus 1 over 0 minus 1. We get 3. So f prime of 1 equals slope of AB equals 3. Any questions, please?
No.
No.
No, all of you know. يعني هون
Yeah.
so هيدا السلوب f prime of 1 f prime of 1 دائما the derivative at a point is the slope, so it is the slope of the tangent. How to calculate f prime x in terms of a, b and x? كيف شكله هيدا ال fx هون؟ كيف نجيب له derivative؟
u prime v minus v prime u over v square.
Before u prime v, first we have to calculate the derivative of ax.
A.
What is the derivative of ax?
x
George,
A.
a. وهيدا هون u over v. شو بيعطي u over v?
1 over x.
No.
u prime v
u prime v
هيدا
v
fx.
over
minus v prime u over v square.
هيدا ax, derivative of ax is a. b I leave it as b. هيدا b I leave it as b. وهيدا u prime v minus v prime u over v square. Any questions here?
No.
Okay.
No.
Then u prime derivative of ln x is 1 over x times v, which is x, minus v prime v is x, v prime is 1, times u, here is u, which is ln x, over x squared, a plus x and x simplified, بدل 1 minus ln x over x squared. Any questions about the derivative?
No.
No.
How to show a equal 1 and b equal 2? How to verify that a equal 1 and b equal 2? What you are going to use? What do we have in order to verify that f of 1 equal 1? How to calculate to prove a equal 1 or b equal 2? We use f of 1 or f prime of 1.
أستاذ عم بيقطف صوتك.
Okay, هلا 1 minute.
كوفيدي.
Okay.
No COVID saga.
To verify or to show a equal 1 or b equal 2, we are going to use two given. F of 1 equal 1. Well, f prime of 1, how much did we get?
أستاذ ما عم بسمع.
Hello.
Hello. Still you are not hearing? Hello.
No عم بقطش كتير.
بيقطش كتير.
Okay, أنا one second ويمشي الإنترنت. You are in Lebanon. الإنترنت. الإنترنت is so fast. Okay, can we continue? Are you listening?
No.
أستاذ عم بقطش كتير.
طيب, let's try 1 second بس. Okay, is it good now?
No.
You are not listening good? Now you are listening? Hi. Hello. Are you listening? جورج.
أستاذ مش واضح شو عم تحكي.
طيب يلا بنعمل شوي.
ما عم اسمع.
بعدكم ما عم تسمعوا؟
عم بيقطش. عم نسمع.
يلا بس 1 second بيزبط.
Yes, هيك كمل الدربور.
Okay. To verify that a equal 1 and b equal 2. عم تسمعوا هلا؟ So we have seen that f of 1 equals 1. Then a plus, I replace x by 1 in the function.
هلو.
هلو، كيفكم؟ صار أحسن؟ هلو. Are you listening? شو yes?
أستاذ
Yes. اوكي، ما عم تسمعوا؟ هلو.
أستاذ
Yes. Still you are not hearing?
أستاذ
Yes.
ما عم بسمع صوتك.
معكم ما عم تسمعوا؟
أستاذ عم تشرح. أنا ما عم أسمع شيء.
ما عم بحكي، بعدني ما عم بحكي. عم تسمعي هلا شو عم بحكي؟
أستاذ عم تسمع صوتنا؟
Yes. ما عم تسمعوا صوتي انتو؟
طب مش أحسن إذا عملتها فيديو وبعتت؟
Okay, I will make it a video and I will send it, okay?
أو إذا بعتت الكوركشن ما بعرف لأن صوتك مش واضح.
هلو.
Hello. Okay, to calculate A and B, we use f of 1 equal 1. So A plus B ln 1 over 1 equal 1. So A plus B ln 1 is 0, B into 0 equal 1, then A equals 1. F prime of 1 equal 3. F prime is A plus B, so we replace A by 1. A plus B into 1 minus ln 1 in the derivative we are replacing over 1 squared equal 3. Then A plus B ln 1 is 0, so A plus 1 plus B, A is 1, so B equals to 2. Now, another part, prove that the line D of equation y equal x is an asymptote to C. To prove a line is an asymptote to D, we have to prove that the limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx minus yd equal to 0. So, limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx minus yd equals limit as x tends to plus infinity of, this is fx minus yd, x minus x will simplify, limit as x tends to plus infinity of 2 ln x over x. We have a property in the limits that says as x tends to plus infinity, ln x over x, it is equal to 0, therefore y equal x is an oblique asymptote to C. Now it is required to study the position. The position is fx minus yd, which is 2 ln x over x. Since we don't know its sign, we have to solve it equal to 0. So 2 ln x over x equals 0. 2 ln x equals 0. Ln x equal to 0. And we have ln 1 equal to 0, so x equal 1. We make the table of position, sign table yani. X, I put the domain 0 plus infinity. Fx minus yd, here the position. Here I put the value that I get from above, which is 1. To know the sign, if I take a number greater than 1 and I replace it in fx minus yd, we get 2 ln 2 over 2, which is positive, so it is positive and negative. Negative means C is below D, positive is C is above D. Now, at 0, here since we have 0, we say C cuts D or D cuts C at 1. To find the ordinate, we replace the value of x either in the equation of the line or in the equation of the curve. Equation of the line y equal x, so for x equal 1, y equal 1, then the point of intersection is 1, 1. Part 5, set up the table of variations. To set up the table of variations, we have the function is increasing from the curve. The function is increasing, so not necessary to calculate f prime x. So f is increasing, so we can do the table of variations. هذا f prime graphically. Since graphically we have domain 0 plus infinity, f is increasing. At 0 we have minus infinity, at plus infinity we have plus infinity. So it is increasing, so here we put positive. Part 6, prove that the equation fx equals 0 admits a unique solution alpha. First of all, to prove fx equals 0 admits a unique solution alpha, we look at the curve. The curve cuts the x-axis at one point here. The curve cuts the x-axis at one point here. So graphically, fx equals 0 has 1 root alpha. To verify alpha is between 0.75 and 0.76, we calculate f of 0.75 and f of 0.76. One of them is negative and the other is positive. So graphically here, as I said, graphically C cuts the x-axis in 1 point. So fx equals 0 has 1 root alpha. I calculate f of 0.75, we get negative 0.0017, which is negative, and we calculate f of 0.76, which is 0.03, which is positive, then alpha is between 0.75 and 0.76. Now the economic part, part B. So we have the average cost, C bar equal x plus 2 ln x over x. This is the average cost, which is equal to fx. The average cost in millions of Lebanese lira. We have to pay attention for the unit of the cost, millions of Lebanese lira. X is the number of watches, should be in hundreds, not in thousands. This is not correct. This is in hundreds, not in thousands. So you have to correct it in hundreds. Calculate C bar of 3. C bar of 3, it is simply, we replace x by 3 in C bar and give an economical interpretation. So C bar of 3, we replace x by 3 in the average cost. We get 3.732408 millions of Lebanese lira. As I told you before, since it is in millions, we have to take 6 digits after the decimal. So the average cost of producing 300 watches is, this is the economical interpretation. Now, express the total cost. Since we have the average cost, to calculate the total cost, we use the rule. The average cost, which is C bar of x, equal total cost, which is CT of x over x. Then CT of x equal x times C bar of x. So C bar of x equals Cx over x. So CT of x equal x times C bar of x. X, this is C bar of x. We expand x times x is x squared plus 2x ln x over x. X and x are simplified. We get x squared plus 2 ln x. Now, each watch is sold for 50,000 Lebanese lira, and all the production is sold. Prove that the revenue, to find the revenue, we have the rule, revenue equal price over unit price times x times the unit of x. The price is 50,000. وهيدا هون unit price is in millions. Unit of x is 100, not 1,000. You have, I told you to correct it. We get 5x. Deduce that the profit, as you know that the profit equal revenue minus cost. The profit is revenue minus cost. We get 5x minus x squared minus 2 ln x. Simple هذا البارت. Study the variations of P and construct its table of variation. To study the variations of P, you have to calculate P prime x, study the sign of P prime x, and make a table of variation. So, هذا px هو 5x minus x squared minus 2 ln x. Derivative لل 5x is 5. Derivative لل x squared is minus 2x. Derivative لل minus 2 ln x is minus 2 over x. We take the LCM, which is x. We multiply x times 5, 5x, minus 2x squared, minus 2. Then I solve p prime x equal to 0. We take the numerator only. Then minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So we get, using the calculator, x equal 2, which is accepted. X equal half is rejected because it is given that x is between 1 and 10. Half is less than 1, so it is a rejected value. We make table of variations. X, p prime x, px. This is the domain 1 and 10. Pay attention for the domain always. We put 2. To know the sign between greater than 2, if I take 3 and I replace it here in the derivative, we get negative. Here we get positive. So increasing, decreasing. At 1, we replace it in the profit. We get 4. P of 1 equal 4 from here. P of 2 is, replace it in the profit. And P of 10, we get this value. Now we complete the last part. Last part بقلنا for what values, for what production the cost is, or the profit is maximum. For what values or for what quantity the profit is maximum. نطلع من the table of variation. The maximum occurs at x equal 2. So to achieve a maximum profit, the product x equals 2 in table of variations. So number of watches to get a maximum profit is 200 watches. Maximum profit, this is the maximum profit here. 4.613. 4.613 millions of Lebanese lira, or I multiply it by million, we get 4,613,000 Lebanese lira.